Okay, guys, welcome everybody. My name is Chinedu Ono from Nigeria, and today we'll be talking about Cygen Pro. What is Cygen Pro? Is what we'll talk about. You know, some of us have been hearing different stories like Bitcoin. I've heard plenty much stories about Bitcoin and how Bitcoin has made its wave over so many countries all over the world. And then we have heard so many things like blockchain, we've heard Luno, we've heard Binance and other trading platforms. Now, what is Cygen Pro? I will explain. I will explain in a summary what Cygen Pro means in this video. There will still be other videos where I will talk about the precise things and the individual like particular things you can do on Cygen Pro. Now, what is Cygen Pro? Cygen Pro is just like a trading platform where you can buy and sell cryptocurrencies of different kinds. Now, Cygen Pro is a website. It's just a platform where you can trade cryptocurrency for any world currency. You know, when I mean trading cryptocurrency for any world currencies like dollar, euro, Cygen Pro gives you the opportunity to trade your key cryptocurrency and get those currencies. Now, there are available cryptocurrency in this Cygen Pro. Cygen Pro don't have all the cryptocurrencies. They have just four of them. Number one is the exchange Prism. Number two is the exchange Bitcoin, the exchange Litecoin, and the exchange Ethereum. These are the four cryptocurrency that Cygen Pro deals with: Prism, Bitcoin, Litecoin, and Ethereum. Now, what are the benefits of Cygen Pro? Okay, before I talk about the benefits that you can gain on Cygen Pro, what do you have? Why is Cygen Pro um among the best platform where you can trade your cryptocurrency? Number one is that um you can trade your cryptocurrency, you can exchange your different cryptocurrency with no intermediary. There is nobody that is serving like a third party or a broker, something like that in Cygen Pro. When you want to exchange your cryptocurrency and you come to Cygen Pro, you don't need any intermediary. You place your order, you get what you want. Also, in Cygen Pro, you can save your cryptocurrency. Okay, let me use Prism for an example. When you save your Prism in Cygen Pro, every day you gain a permanent bonus of 0.4% of your investment, of your balance. Any balance you have in your Cygen Pro account, which is Prism, you gain 0.4% increase. Now, in Cygen Pro, you don't also run the risk of being hacked. Nobody can hack your account in Cygen Pro. Your funds, you cannot even lose your funds, okay, in Cygen Pro. So it still gives Cygen Pro the one of the best features that nobody can make like go away with your phone. Nobody can get into your account and take away your funds, okay. Also, in Cygen Pro, you don't have to wait or pay high fees, for transaction. The fees that are collected in Cygen Pro for transactions are very, 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 very small, sometimes negligible. They are very, very small. So that is it. Now, in Cygen Pro, you can trade your Prism, or you can trade your Bitcoin, your Litecoin, or Ethereum in either exchange or fast buy and sell. There are so many ways of trading in Cygen Pro. Depends on the one that you prefer, the one that you want to do at any particular point in time. And at any particular point in time, you will still be seeing the relative balance of your cryptocurrency in either dollar or in euro and other different world currency. Now, another feature of Cgen Pro that makes it good is its high speed. High speed. If you are trading with Cgen Pro platform is not as slow as some platforms that are used in trading cryptocurrency. It's fast to some extent. Minimum fees, just like I've talked before, is absolutely secured. Then one other thing that people get afraid of is when you talk to them that about Cgen Pro, about cryptocurrency, they'll ask you, what is my chances of cashing out? That is, when they talk about cashing out, they talk about, can I withdraw my funds as easy as I want it? In Cgen Pro, what they term it is automatic withdrawal. Assuming you are done and you don't want to do again, you don't want to invest again, you want to use your money for something, you can comfortably withdraw your funds. Automatic withdrawal is what is happening in Cgen Pro. So Cgen Pro is a platform for trading cryptocurrency. So you can check it out. It is a good platform. The website is sigen.pro, sigen.pro. You can check it out. It's a good platform. There will still be other videos about how you can use Cgen Pro, how you can create an account on Cgen Pro. So thank you very much. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. I remain Onu Chinedu from Nigeria. Thank you.